Hi, gossips. Hello, gossips. How are you all doing? Happy weekend to you all. Happy weekend, guys. People, subscribe to this page. Subscribe, like, share, comment, invite others, guys. Help this man backup page to grow. Thank you very much. Guys, there is a church that flogged people when their kids make noise in the church. Guys, I would allow you to watch the video. This woman was severely flogged because her baby was making noise inside a church. Watch the video.
Jesus. Jesus. Mama. You know what?